Welcome to Wattix. In this video, we will cover the features of the Formula Composer tool. The power and simplicity of the Formula Composer will bring your energy management to a totally new level, from working on cumbersome spreadsheets to a fully flexible analysis of business and energy data at the click of a button, making your reporting better, quicker, and easier to manage a great number of projects with minimal effort. This tool allows you to create formula-based meters by doing operations and conditions across real meters, data points, and any numeric value. In the top field, you can type a formula and see the result of the calculation in the graph below. You can also add real monitored points to the same graph from the left tree menu. The right control panel allows you to change your chart type, time view, and your data granularity. The chart is displayed dynamically and shows the changes made in the control panel. You can download charts and files and various file formats by clicking in the top right corner. Also, we can save it as a new data point and apply the calculation for the historical data that you select. The new formula meter point will then become a real meter point that can be used across the Wattix platform, such as for reports, notification alerts, Sentinel trends, breakdown saving performance, and tracking. You have the ability to edit a single formula or edit formula meters in bulk once created. The possibilities are virtually limitless when it comes to performing calculations for your projects, whether it's variance between expected kilowatt hours and actual kilowatt hours for solar PV production, GHG emitted from your buildings/facilities, or creating virtual meters to identify the kilowatt hours of other non-monitored equipment. It's time for a change to an advanced solution which allows you to more than halve the time spent managing and analyzing data to discover new insights and the true savings potential of your buildings, facilities, and operations. If you would like to know more about the Wattix Formula Composer tool, or the features available through the Wattix platform, check out our brief instructional videos at www.wattix.com/dashboard. You can also book a free demo on our website to discover how these tools can be applied to your projects. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.